While vitamins are essential for overall nerve health, it's important to note that specific vitamins alone may not repair nerves. Nerve damage is a complex issue that often requires a holistic approach, including proper medical evaluation and treatment. However, certain vitamins can play a role in supporting nerve health. Here are 9 vitamins that are relevant to nerve function. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Thiamine is crucial for nerve function and can be found in foods like whole grains, nuts, and pork. Vitamin B2, riboflavin. Riboflavin contributes to nerve health and can be obtained from dairy products, lean meats, and green leafy vegetables. Vitamin B3, niacin. Niacin supports nerve function and is found in foods like meat, fish, and whole grains. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine, essential for neurotransmitter synthesis. Vitamin B6 is found in poultry, fish, bananas, and potatoes. Vitamin B9, folate. Folate is important for nerve development and can be found in leafy greens, legumes, and fortified grains. Vitamin B12, cobalamin, critical for nerve health and myelin production. Vitamin B12 is found in animal products like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. Vitamin D, necessary for overall health. Vitamin D supports nerve function and is obtained from sunlight, fatty fish, and fortified dairy products. Vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect nerves. Vitamin E is found in nuts, seeds, spinach, and vegetable oils. Vitamin C. While known for its immune support, vitamin C also plays a role in nerve health and can be found in citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers. It's important to get these vitamins through a balanced diet. If you suspect nerve damage or have specific health concerns, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and guidance. Additionally, they can help determine if any specific supplements are needed based on your health status.